It's loch, not loch. All the people that hate Gaelic as well, I bet you also hate people saying loch, not loch. But it's not about your accent, it's just the way that your tongue is placed. So in Scottish Gaelic, loch is a lake or a sea inlet. And it's not as difficult to say as I think people think it might be. So let's just go through it. So the L-O is said like law. Law. And I know that the CH trips a lot of people up when learning Scottish Gaelic. But let's just think about it as exhaling a deep breath, pushing your breath out. What I want you to do is put the back of your tongue to the back of your mouth, but it's not going to be flat against the roof of your mouth. And I want you to exhale. And then you're just going to put them together. Loch. Loch. And the more that you say it, the more natural it becomes.